Hello, all you roller skaters out there. Today we have a fun little video. We came across this little drainage ditch, Jazz did actually. It's like it has a runoff for a water runoff there, and we found that it's a super fun little snake run to get some speed in, go around the bank, use the banks back and forth to pump up and all that, and you can jump out onto the grass here. So it's super fun. We've been doing this all morning for like an hour now. We had to sweep it first, but all you skaters out there, I'm sure you guys have something like this all around your town somewhere. There's probably many different areas like this. I remember I'm from Maryland originally, and there were bunches of them up there. You just got to find them and be clever about it. So I'm going to do a first-person little video first and go flying into it and show you how fun this thing is, and then we're going to explain how to how we've made the most of it today. You know, getting the most speed and figuring out the angles and all that. So let's get up here and I'm going to go first-person view. Really fun. All right. All right, here we go. We also found a little speed bump over here in the parking lot. It's kind of a fun little jump. Hello. Here we go. Get some speed. Yeah. All right, we're gonna get some speed in here. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. It's fun. Ah. Woo! That is so fun.
All
I'm gonna pass this off to Jazz. Yeah.
And you got some pointers for us, I guess,
we're gonna
huh?
walk up here, and I'll explain to you, guys, what
your technique.
We found, our technique. Jazz and I have been doing this for a little while today, and what we found is it's kind of like a sweet spot to not do too many carves because it slows you down. You want to kind of keep your speed up.
Huh.
So.
I see.
Show you guys what I'm talking about here.
All right.
So, I went around the bump there on the first person view, came around, basically came along right in here and cut this at an angle here. So I mean, you guys, everything's going to be different. Every little thing, obstacle, drainage ditch, it's all going to be different. But for this one here, we found out coming more wide here at an angle, because I was first coming in across here and catching this right here, this here, and I was sliding, literally sliding this way off. So the faster you go here, and there's a lot of people that skate the Northport Skate Park. You guys can come and try this out. We're not far away. So I found out to come wide in here, avoid that little off-camber thing, come in more at an angle right in here, and then carve right there, back and forth. So the faster you kind of come in, and don't really slow down with your turn, but you kind of like use the bank, just like when you're at a skate park and you're using the bowl. You use the banks, the transitions, I mean, to help keep your speed up. You're pumping them transitions, and this is the same thing. Even though the transitions don't curve up to almost vert or whatever, they're just straight like angles. You can use them to carve back and forth and pump. There's nothing wrong with skating in between to keep your speed up and all that, but basically all it is these are all kind of similar. There's the drainage ditches are, you know, you got your sides that go up. Just use the most of it, use the most of the course. And see, there's lots of cracks here along the way, and everyone's going to be different. So the cracks are very scary. We have done another video on how to avoid cracks or how to deal with cracks in some of our other playlists, so check those out as well. So I'm gonna go skate this one time, up and around, and get some speed so you guys can see me come in here and see how fun it looks from that perspective.
All right.
So I'm gonna get out first, see if I can get out.
Let's see it. It actually helps that this parking lot is like on a slant. You can it kind of boosts you into this canal. It was a really lucky find. This is oh yeah, this is by the Winn-Dixie at Northport Boulevard, in case anyone wants to skate it. Woo! Yeah, look at him go. It is nice. Can you skate it back? Can you jump in and skate it back? Do it. Yeah.
Higher this way.
Yeah, it's a little tiring. You have to like push, jump, push,
Very
jump.
tiring.
Yeah. That's cool though.
But anyway, that's today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, found it fun. It is fun. I'm really out of breath. It takes a lot out of you here. But lots of good times here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. We'd love to hear your comments, suggestions as always. Appreciate you guys checking out our channel. Until next time, we will see you later. Have a good day. Bye-bye.